Ramadan is a generous month.
Yes.
This month has a lot of sacrifices.
Allahu
And,
Akbar. May Allah bless you, strengthen you.
a lot of people die in this month.
A lot of people die in Ramadan.
And sometimes you cannot see your other Ramadan. But you shouldn't be scared of that, because we all know where we're going to go. Inshallah, Jannat al-Firdaus. May Allah grant us all to Jannat al-Firdaus.
Ameen.
And may Allah bring us to all the good deeds we have.
Ameen.
And I'm wishing to be a scholar like you, inshallah.
Inshallah, better than me, inshallah.
Inshallah, ya Rabb. And may Allah give us all zakat. May Allah bring us to the best we can, inshallah, to our best modify.
Ameen.
And a lot of people stand up for you, Mufti Meng. And a lot of people are trying to be